Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your email on the Temu app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is click open your Temu app. Once you open it, you will be redirected to its homepage where you need to click on the profile option. So once you click on the profile option from the down bar, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where you need to simply tap on the settings option. So once you click on settings, you can go through the account security where you can get the email option. Now click on edit and simply type in your new email address which you want to change. So once you type in your new email address, you will get a verification code on it. So you need to now go through your email and get your verification code and type in your verification code. Once all of this is done, you will have a changed email address on your Temu app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.